Power flushing. Now, it's a term that's used a lot by heating engineers to tell you that your system needs cleaning. So what I'm going to explain is what power flushing is, and a little visual here at Kamco in St Albans showing you exactly what happens when a power flush machine is put in. So ultimately, power flushing is because your system has got to a point of degradation that has caused blockages and something called magnetite in your system stopping a flow. Now, this can normally be indicated on the bottom of radiators as being cold spots. So if you feel the bottom of your radiators once your heating's been on, you normally feel sort of a pattern like that at the bottom that starts feeling cold, or radiators in general that don't work at all. So what a power flush does is use a machine that ultimately has a bit of pressure behind it, but predominantly is velocity of water that allows the debris within the radiator to be disturbed and then hopefully removed from the radiator, which I'm going to demonstrate here. So we've got a Kamco machine. It's our choice of machines, and we've been using Kamco for the last 10 years. CF90 is our actual machine that we use, coupled with a magnet. Now, the magnet then will be used to collect any of the deposits that are magnetic and collect it on its process of us power flushing it so that we don't recirculate it back into the system. So on here you can see the little beads, which is indicating or imitating the magnetite or the debris in the system. And as you can see in this little display, the little balls are here on the left. So we've got the machine that we're going to switch on. When you switch the machine on, you see this massively move. So you can see the turbulence of water that's coming through the radiator, and then that's pushing the debris to the outlet that will go to the machine or to the magnet and collect it. We then agitate this, as you'll see in the video, and that will be moving all the debris in your radiator so that we can loosen it up and then remove it for your system. So it's not really high pressure, but it's more velocity that's going to agitate all them bits of debris and magnetite and then remove it from your system. This is done radiator by radiator, including all the pipe work that goes around your home and also the boiler as well, which the magnetite can accumulate in the heat exchanger and cause blockages or something that you call kettling. So sometimes you might hear your boiler kick in and you hear sort of like a hissing noise, or an old kettle that's been left on with no water, and that's really what's happening to the boiler, that the water's not transferring away from the heat exchanger quick enough that the boiler is heating it, so it's almost getting to a boiling point. So that's the power flushing, as we say that we use the Kamco equipment as well. And I hope the display, along with the rest of our blog that we've written, gives you more insight as to what we will do to your system to get it to a clean and efficient state without all the debris and magnetite that gets stuck in the system. Thanks very much. I'm Terry Matthews from Smart Heat Experts, keeping your home in Mid Sussex warm and cosy.